So we want to find angle X in this beautiful circle theorem problem. So for us to get angle X, we can get this angle first of all. And from one of the circle theorem, it states that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary, which means they add up to 180 degrees. So how do we get this angle? Now look at this mark and this mark, meaning that this triangle SRQ is an isosceles triangle. So the base angles are equal. This is the base angles, this one and this. So if this is 37, this is also what, 37 degrees. Okay, now how do we get this angle since we need it to get X? So I'm just going to write that SRP angle, SRQ rather, is equal to what? 180 degrees minus, you have to add these two angles and subtract the sum from 180. Again, the sum of angles in a triangle is what? 180 degrees. So 37 plus 37 is what? Let's just write it here again. Degrees. So 180 degrees minus, add these two, you get what? 74. And then you have what? 106 degrees. So which means this is 106 degrees. And like I told you that the opposite angles add up to what? 180 degrees. But do you know I don't even have to find this angle? I can easily just get X. X here is equal to 106 degrees. Why, you may ask? Now, for a cyclic quadrilateral, the exterior angle, this X is an exterior angle to this quadrilateral, is equal to the opposite interior angle. Now, please, it has to be a cyclic quadrilateral. You see this quadrilateral, all the vertices are touching the circle. This is a type of quadrilateral that this thing will work. Let me say it again. The exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. So X here being is exterior to this quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral, is equal to what? 106 degrees. And this is your answer. I'll see you in the next video.